If you're considering upgrading your windows in Salt Lake City, you might be overwhelmed by the variety of materials available. Choosing the right windows is crucial. They not only impact your home's aesthetic but also play a significant role in energy efficiency, durability, and maintenance. Three of the most popular options are vinyl, aluminum, and wood windows. Each has its own set of advantages and considerations, so let's break them down to help you make the best choice for your home. Vinyl windows. Affordable and energy efficient, vinyl windows are a top choice for many homeowners in Salt Lake City due to their affordability and energy efficiency. Made from polyvinyl chloride, PVC, these windows are designed to withstand varying weather conditions, something Salt Lake City residents know all too well. Advantages of vinyl windows. Energy efficiency. Vinyl windows are excellent insulators, helping to keep your home warm during Salt Lake City's cold winters and cool during hot summers. Many come with Energy Star ratings, which can reduce your utility bills. Low maintenance. Vinyl windows resist moisture, won't warp, and never need to be painted. A quick wipe with a damp cloth is usually enough to keep them looking new. Affordability. Compared to aluminum and wood, vinyl windows are the most budget-friendly option, making them an attractive choice for cost-conscious homeowners. Consideration. While vinyl windows are durable, they may lack the premium aesthetic of wood or aluminum, which could be a drawback for historic or high-end homes. Additionally, they can't be repainted, so your color choice is permanent. Aluminum windows. Sleek and modern. For a contemporary look that complements Salt Lake City's modern homes, aluminum windows are a strong contender. Known for their slim profiles and strength, aluminum windows offer a sleek, industrial aesthetic that's both durable and stylish. Advantages of aluminum windows. Durability. Aluminum frames are extremely strong, making them ideal for large windows or unique architectural designs. They can withstand Salt Lake City's heavy snow and high winds. Modern aesthetic. With their slim profiles and metallic finish, aluminum windows create a clean, modern look that's perfect for contemporary or minimalist homes. Low maintenance. Aluminum is resistant to rust and corrosion, requiring very little upkeep beyond occasional cleaning. Consideration. Aluminum windows are not as energy efficient as vinyl or wood because metal is a poor insulator. However, many manufacturers now offer thermally broken aluminum frames to reduce heat transfer. Aluminum windows also tend to be more expensive than vinyl and can feel colder to the touch in winter months. Wood windows. Timeless and elegant. For homeowners in Salt Lake City seeking a classic, high-end look, wood windows remain unmatched. Their natural beauty and ability to enhance the charm of traditional or historic homes make them a favorite for those prioritizing aesthetics. Advantages of wood windows. Aesthetic appeal. Nothing beats the timeless beauty of real wood. Wood windows can be stained or painted to match any interior or exterior design. Insulation. Wood is a natural insulator, offering excellent energy efficiency that rivals vinyl windows. Longevity. With proper care, wood windows can last for decades, maintaining their beauty and functionality. Considerations. wood windows require more maintenance than vinyl or aluminum. Regular painting or staining is necessary to prevent rot, warping, and weather damage, especially in Salt Lake City's climate, where winters are cold and summers can be dry and hot. Additionally, they tend to be the most expensive option. Which is right for your Salt Lake City home? When deciding between vinyl, aluminum, and wood windows, it's essential to consider your budget, home style, and priorities. Here's a quick recap. Choose vinyl if you're looking for affordability, energy efficiency, and low maintenance. Choose aluminum if you prefer a sleek, modern aesthetic and need durable windows for larger openings. Choose wood if you value timeless elegance and don't mind investing time and money in maintenance. For Salt Lake City homeowners, the choice often comes down to balancing practicality with aesthetics. Vinyl windows are ideal for those prioritizing budget and efficiency, while aluminum and wood cater to specific style preferences and durability needs. No matter which material you choose, working with a trusted local window contractor is key to ensuring proper installation and long-term satisfaction. They can help you evaluate your home's unique requirements and recommend the best options to suit your needs. By weighing the pros and cons of vinyl, aluminum, and wood windows, you'll be well on your way to enhancing the comfort, efficiency, and beauty of your Salt Lake City home.